Hi, thanks for joining me on this executive summary of the TIBCO DX Digital Transformation Program. Digital transformation is the reimagining of business in the digital age. It's not just modernization or moving to the cloud. It begins and ends with your customers, how you think about them and how you engage with them. Companies are using digital technology to transform everything from internal systems to customer interactions, either online or in person. Successful digital transformation delivers great value. Analysts have found that digital leaders have higher shareholder growth, revenue growth, and operating profit growth. So what do you need in place for successful digital transformation? There are a number of core enablers that all successful digital companies seem to have. They optimize their operations with cloud-native technology. They ensure that all their digital systems are connected in a simplified and flexible way. They leverage data-driven intelligence, which requires advanced analytics and data science. And they deliver that customer-first, compelling experience no matter the channel. The problem is that digital transformation is not easy. Analysts suggest that 3/4 of organizations can't reach the stage where they've broken from past practices and scaled their exploratory pilots and truly transformed to meet market needs. Research also suggests that a staggering 70% of digital transformation programs fail. Now, there are 4 critical causes for this failure. Firstly, there is a lack of a business case to scale the innovations beyond the early pilot work. This is often compounded by a poorly defined cloud strategy, which really is a critical foundation for digital transformation. Thirdly, they're rightly concerned with the high cost and risk of transformation activities, such as migrating to cloud. Finally, they face a digital talent deficit, where they have a lack of experience running new digital applications in a hybrid or multi-cloud environment. TIBCO has been working with businesses for over 25 years, and it pains us to see digital transformation initiatives fail. And this is why we are offering the Digital Transformation Program to our customers. So how does TIBCO help? Well, to start, we will help you with a financial business case that demonstrates the transformation value and how that value is realized within your business. We deliver this with a prescriptive cloud strategy and a reference architecture that's API-led and event-driven. And importantly, TIBCO's work to create these deliverables is at no cost to our customers. Then we can help you to transform at a lower cost and reduce risk using our proven delivery management methodology, including our tried and tested migration factory tools. And if necessary, to help with the digital talent deficit, we provide a cost-effective, managed anything as a service for your hybrid and multi-cloud environments. These are the key differentiators for the TIBCO DX program, a global program that's focused on assisting our most important customers with their digital transformation. Let's go through each of these briefly. Now, a key aspect of the DX program is working with you to define a comprehensive financial business case to drive change. To deliver this, we'll use a number of our capabilities, such as the digital maturity model, an interactive value calculator, and tools to assess your existing portfolio of applications. Ultimately, we'll work with you to develop a compelling business case that details the total cost of ownership and the overall business value, all of which will be presented in the final perspective document, along with the plans to quickly scale from pilot to production across your organization. And again, this is offered free of charge to our customers. Now, let's look at the prescriptive cloud strategy. Integration is really the core foundation to optimize your operations and build out a connected portfolio of products and services. Many people have spoken about the evolution of integration, moving from an older point-to-point model through to a hub-and-spoke approach, and then to an enterprise service bus, which TIBCO pioneered over 20 years ago. The ESB gets expanded to a more complete middleware layer, with messaging, event processing, and modern integration patterns, leading to the introduction of APIs to the business. As we continue to modernize, digital transformation demands the move to API-led and event-driven architectures. This is where we start to truly capture the benefits of cloud extracting more value from on-premise investments, enabling seamless connectivity with your cloud SaaS systems, and delivering the scale, speed, and agility your business needs. Looking further ahead, we're now moving to cloud native with microservices and serverless architectures, allowing developers to create secure integrated applications with very low footprint. Deploy them anywhere, whether that might be containers in the public cloud or an integration platform as a service, giving you the ultimate flexibility and scalability. It's important to understand that in our prescriptive cloud strategy, we don't just assume that everyone's in the same place. Rather, we work to understand your business and provide a highly flexible and effective path for you, aligned with the technological and economic needs of your business. Many of our customers are happy with their stable and well-performing enterprise service bus. Just need to rehost, or lift and shift, these non-critical applications straight into a cloud environment. Other times there might be older integration applications that are due to be retired or can simply be replaced with newer standard SaaS offerings. So we can connect with those directly through our integration platform as a service, or iPaaS. For critical applications that need to scale to cloud levels of availability, it makes sense to re-architect, to use newer API-led and event-driven models. And finally, we have the ability to rebuild where there's a greenfield opportunity, and that's where you'll move straight to cloud-native tools, processes, and technologies. These re-architected or rebuilt integrations can be hosted in the iPaaS or use cloud-native technologies like containers or serverless. Critically, the application is built once and can then be hosted either in the iPaaS or in any cloud environment and moved between environments if needed. Note that when we talk about a cloud environment, it could be public cloud or private cloud offered by Microsoft, Amazon, or Google, or it could be a hybrid approach. Some applications and services will stay on-premise and others will move into the cloud via the different approaches seen here. Again, giving you total flexibility and scalability when and where you need it. We will work with your teams to define the path that makes sense to you and then give you a prescriptive strategy to achieve success. Now, let's look at the reference architecture that lies at the heart of the DX program. This reference architecture focuses on capabilities and functionality. It's not based on any single product or vendor, unlike other architectures we see in the market. Instead, it's been designed to be open, flexible, and extensible, so it's able to encompass open source and other enterprise technology investments you may have already made. Notice the on-premise, private cloud, or public cloud hosting options at the bottom. Above this, we see the integration and data virtualization layer that provides you with the ability to seamlessly connect technologies and intelligently unify your data. Built on the integration and virtualization foundation, we see two more essential and interrelated capabilities. Firstly, predictive analytics and data science, where you access advanced visual analytics and can collaboratively build and deploy artificial intelligence and machine learning models that help you confidently predict business outcomes. Next to this is the real-time data streaming and event processing capabilities, which let you react instantly to business events, often using the AI and ML models I just mentioned. Event-driven capability is essential because business decisions are more valuable immediately after an event, such as an application or purchase. Now, modern integration is API-led, which is why the API layer wraps around your entire technology stack, both internal and external. In this way, you have APIs to connect systems across cloud and on-premise environments for maximum scale, speed, and agility. To the left, we see security and data governance across the entire offering. This will ensure your systems and data are accessible to only those who need it. To the right, we have data management to ensure you have well-managed master data and reference data. Without this, your systems and reporting won't have complete, consistent, and current information. Finally, at the top, we have support for both DevSecOps, which streamlines secure build and deployment, plus the different development environments that suit the different types of people who will help you create solutions, such as your IT teams, your professional coders, and even citizen developers and BAs. Of course, while the architecture we deliver to you might look slightly different from this, it will be built upon these solid foundations, because we know this is what is making companies successful in their digital transformation. Now I'd like to briefly walk through the proven delivery approach used in the DX program. We start with research, both on your behalf and collaboratively with your team. We look at your business drivers, your current use cases and more. We then organise a series of interactive workshops with your stakeholders, either online or face-to-face. During these workshops, we use design thinking for ideation and start working through the to-be situation. At the end of this stage 0, we deliver our perspective on your digital journey, including the business value, total cost of ownership, the prescriptive plan to move into the cloud, and ultimately how we will help you drive the benefits of digital transformation with measurable business metrics. Now sometimes we'll move to a proof of value, or stage 1, which is time boxed to 1 month in order to quickly demonstrate value. From the proof of value, or if that was optional, we go straight to phase 2, where we start to prepare and execute the migration to move your initial use cases into the new environment. This phase is critical, so we use highly effective processes to bring us to a very quick go live, while still providing the ability to scale up fast if needed. We then spend time revalidating the value with you and your business team, and quickly help you build out a long-term plan for success. That may include helping you with ongoing implementation through our managed anything as a service. So after go live, there is the managed anything, or X, as a service. This service means you don't have to be constrained by a lack of internal skills or a digital team. Instead, you can get to market faster and optimize your results by using our experts in integration, data management, and analytics. This is all about complementing your current skills, so we can help you to develop digital capabilities, or a Center for Excellence, in order to accelerate your innovation and your transformation. Now, a great case study of a successful digital transformation comes from 3, a major telecommunications provider in the UK. 3 UK started with around 350 on-premise apps, which were ultimately moved into only 100 cloud services. This outcome made it easier to maintain existing apps, as well as much easier to create new solutions. As a result, 3 reduced time to market for new applications from months to hours. They also saw a massive reduction in cost to serve business requirements and faster resolution of issues. Ultimately, they achieved a 31% reduction in related IT costs by moving into this new platform and delivering a consistent user experience. We have, of course, many other great examples where TIBCO is powering world-class digital transformation programs, and you can find these on our website. So what's involved for you as a customer? Now, as mentioned, there is no charge from TIBCO for the initial research, workshops, and perspective deliverable. We would, of course, need the commitment and time from your team to collaborate with us in the workshop. This is usually 2 or 3 days in total, spread out over a suitable period. The output is a professionally prepared digital perspective document, which will outline the costs and return on investment, both for the optional proof of value and the initial migration. Now, if you need more information, you can download the DX data sheet from the TIBCO website, or please speak with your local TIBCO account exec or professional services contact. Let's get started on your digital transformation and make sure it's successful. And thanks for your time.